Hello everyone. This tutorial is for the trainers, like how they are going to verify whether the kid has filled the filmy grid correctly or not in a quick way. Starting with 3x3 grid, there are 3 conditions to satisfy. Now here you can see digits are from 1 to 9 and sum is 15. This is our filmy grid box. Here you can see the number 1 question has been done by the student, let us suppose. Now we have to verify whether the student has done it correctly or not. For this, we have to go for our first condition. And the first condition here is, you can see, first and last digit should be opposite to each other and should be in the middle of row or column. Let us see over here. Our first digit is 1 and the last digit is 9. They are placed opposite to each other in a row or column. They can be placed over here or here also. As you can see, this first condition is satisfied, like first and last digit are opposite to each other. We can move to our second condition. Our second condition says multiplication of middle digit by 3 for 3x3 filmy grid should be same as of the sum given in the page. You can see the digits are from 1 to 9 and sum is 15. Now this is our filmy grid, completed filmy grid. As the condition says, multiplication of middlemost digit by 3 should be as of the sum. Here you can see the student has placed the digit 5 over here. So if I multiply 5 by 3, like 3 from here, it will be 15 and the sum is 15. That means our second condition is satisfied. Until here the student has completed the filmy grid correctly. Now we have to move to our third condition, and the third condition says either of the diagonal should have 3 consecutive digits. Back to filmy grid. The condition says either of the diagonal in the filmy grid, like this or this, should have 3 consecutive digits. And here you can see we have 4, 5 and 6. They are 3 consecutive digits which are placed diagonally right. So our third condition is also satisfied. Now if all the 3 conditions are satisfied, then only the student has done it correctly, else not. Now you have to note, if all the 3 above stated conditions are met, then only the kid has filled the grid correctly, else not. And ask him or her to fill it again. Let's take one more example. This question is based on filmy from digits 7 to 15 and the sum is 33. Let's suppose this is how the student or the kid has completed the grid according to this question. Now we will go again with the set of conditions. Let's see the first condition, the first and the last digits should be opposite to each other and they should be in the middle of row or column. The first digit is 7. Okay. Last digit is 15. They are opposite to each other and they are in the middle of a row or column. That means our first condition is satisfied. Then we can move on to the second condition. Here, multiplication of middle digit by 3 should be same as of the sum given in the page. You can see in the page the sum is 33. Our middlemost digit is 11, and if I multiply 11 by 3, it will be 33. That is same as of sum. That means still here the student has completed the grid correctly. Now we can move on to our third condition, like either of the diagonal should have 3 consecutive digits. Let's check it out. We have 2 diagonals over here, and yes, we can see in one of the diagonal the digits are placed consecutively, that is 10, 11 and 12. Note, if all the above 3 conditions are met, then only the kid has filled the grid correctly, else not. And if he or her is wrong, ask him or her to fill it again.